Welcome to the workshop.
Last time we fitted the legs, which puts us in a position this time to fit the backrest.
With the chair temporarily screwed together, we can now measure and mark for the width of the backrest at the height we wish to have it. I had the family round yesterday and several of us sat on the chair and we tested different heights for the backrest, and we found one which was probably the best for all of us. And we can now, placing the backrest in the right position, just mark, and you can see the outside marks I've made there. That's the bottom of the backrest. Now we need to cut the angled cuts on the end on the table saw to the same angle that we beveled the legs at, which is approximately 3 degrees. Over at the table saw, because we're starting with a curved component, it's going to be difficult to make sure we don't rock on the fence. So I'm going to attach a little sub base to the component which is parallel. I've drawn a straight line down the middle of it, and I've marked off 2 points on the curve which are inside where we're going to be cutting. I make sure, with the curve pointing towards me, those 2 marks line up exactly with the straight line which is parallel to the edges of this board. I can make my one cut on this end, then I can turn the board around to make the other cut. Now, with the backrest pinned to the sub base and the whole lot then clamped to the mitre fence set at 90 degrees, I can make my cut Now I can turn this around, find a suitable piece of blocking so I can clamp it and make the second cut. The keener-eyed of you will have noticed me make a slight mistake there, and I cut to the wrong line. Well, it happens to all of us. So, seeing as this is a prototype, I'm just going to patch this piece together with a couple of biscuits in the end, join them back together, remark my length and cut the other side. And hopefully that will be okay. And now our backrest fits in just where we wanted it, just nice and snug.
Join me next time as I start making the arms by laminating up some boards.